Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to download any YouTube video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. And don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Let's get started. First go to your web browser and from there go to YouTube. Now search the video what you want to download. Now I want to download this video. For that go to the link you can see there. When you go to there you can see this www. Then cut it and type there ss double s type there and click on enter. Now you can download your video. There you can adjust your video quality also. When you click on download you can download your video. Then now you can watch your video offline. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.